Hi guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Today I'm going to be doing more summer DIYs, farmhouse theme, rustic themes, and the little wood trays and crates that I got from the dollar store. I will be doing some of those. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, get your cup of coffee, your lemonade, and let's get started. Okay guys, right here I'm going to do um, little basket, something very simple and quick and easy. The little crate that I got from the Dollar Trees take less than 5 minutes to do. And just to add to some of my summer decor that I have, I'm just gonna paint it with my white Waverly chalk paint. I did get that from Amazon, which I will have it in my description below. And also, I'm gonna be using my Cricut machine. And guys, please, if you can help me, please. I got this vinyl. It's called USA from Amazon, and I'm having such a time. It's not going over real well on my transfer paper. So let me explain that again. Okay, I'm using it on for my Cricut, but when time for it to come off of my transfer tape, it's not going on, and I've been having such a problem, and I don't know whether it's the vinyl. I got a huge pack of it, and but when I try to take it off, it just gives me such a rough time, coming off of the transfer tape. So if you guys can just give me an idea of maybe something I'm doing. I wasn't having this problem before when I was using the Cricut vinyl paper, but I did get this. It's called USA Craft from Amazon. But please tell me, give me some ideas of something that I can do because it's very frustrating. Once I get it, onto the transfer tape, it will come off when I put it in, as you can see here. But once I put my transfer tape over it, and trying to get it to come off of the transfer tape is not doing that. So if you have any ideas, please let me know. But as I said, this is a very simple, easy, quick. The longest time I had with the whole project was actually trying to get the transfer tape over, trying to get it off of the transfer tape, I should say. So please give me some ideas in the comment section below. I would really, really appreciate that. So I'm going to get started with it, and you will see what a time I'm having with it. So with trying so much, finally it do come off, and I got transfer tape from the Dollar Tree, which worked better than the one that I have, but eventually it does come off after much trying. And this is the finishing of the little box. Tell me what you think, and I'm going to go right into my next video, but tell me what you think. Okay, guys, so I have this board that I had it laying around that my husband gave me, and I'm going to use the white Waverly chalk paint that I got from Amazon, and I'm also going to use some of the black acrylic paint that I got from Walmart, and I also used the heat gun, you know, wanted it to dry so I could finish my project. And I started not to paint the back of it because it wouldn't be showing, but I just didn't want to leave it unpainted. So I decided to use that. And I will use the, the painter's tape to put some little black stripes on it. And I will use the acrylic machine that I got from I actually got it from QVC. So I will have that also in my description box below. And these brushes here, they call them wax brushes. I saw one of the other crafters, White Sparrow, Luke 12 and 6, I think it is. And I saw her using it on her channel, and I just loved it. So I have a large one and a small one, and I really love how they work. And I'm going to use, as I said, my painter's tape here just to do a couple of stripes behind it, to use it on here. Some of it did run a little bit. The, maybe I should have let it dry it a little more, so we have to be careful so it don't seep under it. The little problem that I had, but it turned out fine because I decided to, it's gonna have that rustic farm look anyway, so it turned out fine. And you will be so surprised at the little things. I always say that, we have just laying around that we can come up with some nice little ideas for our home decor. So, I just had a few little spots to touch up, and so I end up doing that and kind of brushing it up so it can give it that the little farmhouse rustic look is what I was aiming for anyway. So then I just used some of the white to go over it and dried it and add a bow to it, and it turns out to be fine. So now that my board is all finished, I'm gonna add the ribbons that I got, some of the spring ribbons from Amazon. I will have it in my description below. And I'm using my easy bow maker. I'm gonna have that in the description below. So I'm gonna put a few little bows on the corner of it, and you will see how it comes out. Please let me know what you think also. And this is the finishing of my board. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.